with that brush. No, you can just go with whatever works for you. If using your hand works for you in applying some part of your face, then please do. Don't stress yourself trying to use brush when you know you cannot use it.
Ghana boy say he want marry me. I hope say sabi kukuache. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit though. Baby boy they say eating my body is a killer. Oh. I hope say sabi kukuache. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit though. Oh yeah, man, forget Ethiopia. Miss it, forget Ethiopia. Oh yeah, man,
please welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia Ado. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get anytime I upload. So guys, it's been very long. I have been so busy. I haven't forgotten anything about YouTube though, but I've been so busy. Though I was studying and I've been so busy with everything, and I was moving from Kefi down to Kaduna, but right now I'm in Kaduna. So guys, I am back. With no further ado, let's go into the main video. I don't know why I don't know why, but I try to use my hand to apply this because I feel like I do it best with my hand. Definitely I'm going to blend it with my brush, but first of all I use my hand to like arrange it in the way it looks. Blended out. I blended this very well. And this is not yet blended, so I'm going to do the same thing I did here in this area of my eyes. I'm just going to tap on top. Now you're going to check the mirror. I noticed I needed a little bit of product on this side. So now I'm just going to do this with my hand. I use my hand. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. It depends. Everybody have theirs. everybody, makeup has no rules. Everybody have different way of applying theirs, but for me, this is what works for me. So I don't know about you, but you can try what works for you, but this will work for me. Then when contouring your nose, don't forget, when you want to contour, use a shade a little bit darker than your color. Don't use too much. Don't use something that's too dark, because it will be very hard. The hardest place to blend in makeup is the contour area. So use a shade a little bit darker than your shade. I am not going to use the normal baking. Okay, I won't be using the normal baking routine, like baking your face with either Sasha Buttercup or any other baking setting powder. I'm just going to use this other method that you just apply and dust off. The reason is because of the weather. The weather is kind of really dry. I don't want to put the baking powder on my face and it gets hard to blend because of the dry weather. But it depends again on your skin. If you have an oily skin, then fine, go ahead. You can do the normal routine, which is the baking of the face. But if you don't have an oily skin, and rather you prefer to do this to highlight my face, I'm using a lighter shade. A shade a little bit lighter than my normal powder shade. Use your hand and just use your brush. So So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, also share, hit the notification bell, and also subscribe. See you guys in my next video.